Hello, this is Team 12. The members of our team are me, Leonilson Lopes, Thiago Parreira, and Esteban Tundidor. I'm going to present our project, the Cryptocoin Trader. So I will start presenting our sponsor, Felipe Lima dos Santos. Felipe is a Cryptocoin enthusiastic and trader. As a trader, he has the need of a tool that could help him watching and analyzing the best moment to do some operation with crypto coins. So the purpose of this app is to offer this tool for a trader, a tool that can find the best moment to buy or sell a crypto coin. So it automates the hard and tiring task of watching the market volatility. And the most important feature is the real-time market analysis, to find the best moment and offer the best deal for the trader. So some of the features of this app are the online current prices from the Binance exchange and the currency details, a cryptocurrency converter, and the real-time market analysis in the robo trader, the most important function. So we also had some challenge on this project. Using a third-party element, in this case the Binance Exchange API, bring us some challenge. We had to study the API to read some documentation and do a lot of tests until we find a good way to make it work in our project. We had a specific problem with this API, which was some incompatibility with Android in one of the functions we would need in our project, the price history. To overcome this problem, we built our own method to make this price history, which was a good thing because our method works better than the API. So now I'm going to show how the app works. So it starts on the screen, which shows the last prices. If I go to the menu, I can refresh the rates, and it's going to bring me the real moment, the real price of this moment. If I click in any of these coins, it will bring me some important details about some statistic about the last 24 hours. So another function is the converter, where I can convert any coin to another any coin. So in this example, I can see here, for example, 3 Ethereum is equal 11.02 Litecoins. And the main functionality is the market analysis. Before I start the analysis, you need to configure some parameters. So these parameters are the most important part of the app, because they determine how it's going to behave on the analysis. So the objective of this app is to give the trader the option to try many different sets of parameters. So it's up to the trader try different parameters until he finds the best set of parameters that can make him profit. So I will put some very low values. These are some impractical values, but it will be good to show how the app can give us a buy order or a sell order. So I'll put very low values on buying and selling. It's gonna happen basically instantly when the analysis starts. So now with the saved parameters, I can start the analysis. So it's going to show me the parameters I'm using, and it's building the time chart. So that 1 minute I determined in my parameters, the app it's building this time chart of the last 1 minute. Once it hits 100%, the analysis will start. But it will keep updating this time chart. For each 5 seconds, it gets the last price and updates the chart by eliminating the oldest value and adding the new value. So inside this new time chart, the new statistics is retrieved, like the highest price, the lowest price, and it calculates again what is the best price to buy or the best price to sell. So we see here the time chart completed, and probably it's going to give me already a buy order. As you can see here, it gives me a buy order. I will confirm. Now the app is going to wait the price to reach the good sell price, which is here. So we can see here a sell order. Once the price reaches the price to determine, we have a sell order. When we have a complete operation with a buy and a sell, a transaction log is recorded in the database. It is very important to keep track of all operations so that the trader can verify if the set of parameters he's using was profitable or not. So in this transaction, we can find all the most important information, especially the rate. The rate is how much you win or you lose. So by building a set of logs, making the app run for a certain period of time, the trader can for sure verify if his strategy, if his parameters are profitable or not. So I'm pretty sure this tool can be a powerful tool for any trader to make some profit on Cryptocoin market. And this is the end of this presentation.